Today, we will show you how to register your courses with just a few mouse clicks and reach out to the worldwide public with the help of the DHCR. Right now, we are on the landing page of the DHCR. First, you must register yourself and create a user account. To do this, please click on the Login button. Below the login form, you can find the button called Register. Let's start. We're going to create an exemplary account. Please fill in your email and password. You are also required to fill in your institution. There is a list of institutions that we are currently displaying in the DHCR. In case your institution is not listed, please leave this field empty. In the text box below, please include the name of the institution, the city and the country. Don't forget to fill in your name. It's also important that you provide some information about yourself. That's for our moderators, so that they know who you are. In the end, you just submit and eventually succeed to Google Capture. After the registration, you will receive an email to verify your email address. Please click on the provided link. At the same time, a moderator will receive an email to approve your account. After successful approval, you will receive a notification that your account has been approved. After receiving that approval from the moderator, you can start adding your first course. Please log in with your email address and password. Now we can start adding our first course. First, you have to click on the button Add New Course. This will open the form to enter the details of your course. Please start entering those. First, the course name. The education type shows whether the course is a full program or just a single module or course. The language shows which language the course is held in. This is not to be confused with the metadata language. We recommend using English throughout entering all the metadata. If your course is an online course, please check the box. If the course is held on campus, please do not check the box. In the next box, you can enter the ECTS points of your course. The source URL is the URL where the course information has been published first and where people can retrieve further information about the course details. And of course, add your name and email address again. The course description should be provided in English too. The access requirements are requirements the students have to meet to enroll in your course. The timing of a course concerns the start date of it and whether it's being repeated over the years. To enter the date, please click on the field to open a dialog. You're going to set a start date first. Because courses may be held multiple times a year, you can add further dates later. Finally, we have the information if the course will be held in the following years as well. This is called recurring. In the top box, you can see the result of what you added. It changes whether you select recurring or not. To set the date, just click on the X in the top right corner of the dialog. Finally, you have to enter the duration of the course. You have to set a number and the unit, which ranges from days to semesters or trimesters to even years. The next box is about the institution and the location of the course. The institution you belong to will be pre-selected, but if a different institution is applicable, then you can choose that one. Please also enter the department of the course. The course location is connected to the selected institution. If a course is held at a different place, please select this place by panning the map. Do not forget to select the location by clicking on the red marker icon. The next box is about the tagging. You have to select at least one discipline, one or more techniques, and one or more objects. Finally, it's very important to hit the Publish checkbox at the end of the form. Otherwise, the course will not appear in the registry and remain private for further editing. After hitting the Submit button, we've just added our first course. Congratulations! Now you can view it on your personal dashboard. Of course, you can also view it on the home page of the DHCR. Just navigate to the main page and it will appear on top of the list because it has been updated recently. Click on it and you can see all the information you've added. In case you have any trouble, don't hesitate to contact us. Just click on the info button. There you can find a list of all moderators and user administrators. And, of course, you can use the contact form that addresses the right moderator. We are looking forward to seeing your courses online soon.